Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So very exciting, this box just showed up today. So I closed out a party. So this is like everything I essentially got with rewards and stuff. This box got a little bit of damage. This is like kind of like a hole, honestly. So I'm hoping everything's okay. I tried to take out some of the packaging so this wouldn't be like so loud, but of course, like, there's so much packaging always. So okay, should have maybe gotten a little bit organized, but I didn't get like a ton because I kind of tried to get some more like big ticket items, I guess you could say. So starting off with the small stuff, I got, this is going to be for Corey's Christmas gift. Hopefully he's not watching this. They're these little like golf tees. He's really into golf. And they say Scentsy, so I thought this was cute. They weren't very expensive. And I'm gonna get him like a little golf thing. Hopefully he's not watching this. I doubt he will, but yeah, I thought that would be cute to throw in there just as like, you know, because he won't admit it, but he's into home fragrance too. Okay, then next, as my one of my half-offs, I got the Laundry Love bundle. I am so curious about the laundry. I have a few washer whiffs, which I'll kind of explain how I picked out what I got in this bundle. So I was like, I really want to try the whole bundle. I think it's such a good deal, and I got it for half price. So here is kind of how I broke this down. Everything in the laundry, like there's very select things that are in stock in the laundry, so I had to be strategic about this. So for my dryer discs, I have washer whiffs in both Black Raspberry Vanilla and Amazon Rain. So I figured it'd be nice to get the matching dryer discs to like help the scent in the dryer. So that's how I went about with those two. For the laundry liquid, originally I was like gonna kind of get the same stuff, but like I said, everything was kind of out of stock, so I had to be strategic. The Black Raspberry Vanilla is fairly strong in the washer whiff, so I think if I have this added with it, I'll be okay. Amazon Rain is fairly light, and here's the thing. I think my current laundry detergent, like I just used Tide, it has a laundry smell, so I think that overpowers the like washer whiffs kind of. It just takes it away. So I was like, if I could get the laundry detergent to mix with the washer whiffs, that should solve the whole problem. Amazon Rain is not available in laundry liquid. It's sold out. So there's only like two options, and I don't know how this will go over, but I got Luna. I figured these were both kind of like florally fresh, whatever. So like they may go okay together. This probably doesn't smell as much like laundry as like my real laundry detergent. So we'll see. Worst case, they'll smell like a whole bunch of stuff, but I think I'm gonna end up pairing these together. I use Black Raspberry Vanilla with my regular laundry detergent and it does fine, but Amazon Rain doesn't. So I'll probably use it with this, and I love how this has a pump because in my new washer, where you dump in the detergent, it's like it's a slider thing, you like pull it out and dump it in, but the cup is so big, it like it just gets everywhere. So I'm glad that has a pump, whereas like the current lid doesn't really work. And then, okay, I was like, well, I already have washer whiffs and Black Raspberry Vanilla and Amazon Rain. What other scent was I trying to get that they didn't have any of? So I was like, we can't put, some of our bedding like you can't put fabric softener in it. So I was like, for the bedding stuff, and because this was like one of the only ones in stock, I ended up getting Clothesline, which I feel like this is gonna last me forever, especially if I only use it for like bedding and like maybe towels. I don't know. Corey loves this scent. Like when we smelled testers, he was like, he's like so into laundry scents. He has like a laundry wallflower. I'm just like I'm not as much into it as he is, but I figured, hey, this might be a good one to try out, and it already probably smells like it probably will go well with the detergent I already own, you know what I mean? So since it's kind of ripped, I'm just gonna open it, because why not? I've smelt the tester, like I said. Okay, I have a feeling this is gonna be, I've heard this is like so strong. Oh, golly. I probably didn't need to open this whole thing up. This is strong. It's gonna go really, really well with my current laundry detergent, like just like regular Tide. So let's see if I can close that up. I know as soon as I put this in the laundry room, Corey's gonna be like, more washer whiffs. I got them at half price, okay? So I think some of the laundry stuff's supposed to be coming back in stock soon, but I just thought that was funny. I literally got every single thing in a different scent, which is okay, but it just makes me laugh. Okay, and then, let's see. I used my free credit for this. It's the Alabaster Mini warmer. I was gonna say plug-in. I was like, what is this called? I can't open it. I have the fall foliage warmer out right now, which is so pretty. But as soon as it starts to snow, which we've had like one big snowstorm, the next one's just, you know, patiently, it's coming soon. I know it. So I wanted to have a different, like, non-fall warmer essentially. So, okay, light bulb, plug in. That's why I got this. I went back and forth with which one I was gonna get, and I ended up on this one. I was gonna get Hoot because it had like a big dish. I really like this. But I thought it might freak me out with like its eyes. I'm kind of freaked out by that type of stuff. Okay, so now that I have this out of the packaging, I thought this would be like glossy. It's actually like, it's not glossy. This dish is glossy, but this is definitely not glossy. But it has lights, or like holes for lights all the way around it, so I think this is gonna look really good. It's ceramic, which I preferred, so like you turn it on, like you set it in there and turn it so it stays locked. The dish isn't like massive by any means, but it's pretty big. You could probably get away with putting 2 cubes in there, but I only normally put 1 in my mini warmers. So I think this is gonna actually look really good, and it's not seasonal, so I can literally leave it out like whenever until I want to put my fall one back out. But yeah, so I kind of went back and forth on like which one I actually wanted, and I ended up going with this one. I really want the etched core mini, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so let's see if I can put this back in the box without like totally wrecking everything. It comes with this little thing you're supposed to put in to make sure it doesn't like wiggle around. Learned that out, or I found that out last time. Okay, so then with my other half price credit, I probably didn't need this, but I wanted it. It is, I wish I had a plug-in to light this one up for you guys, but it is the wall fan in swivel, but it's the one that lights up. So, not that you're going to be able to see because I don't have a plug-in, but okay, so I don't have any, well, I have, sorry, I have the Scentsy Go, Scentsy Go Solid, might I add. So I don't have any other like real like plug-in wall fans. So I kind of wanted to try this one out. This one has the light, so it's a little bit more expensive. That's why I used my half price. So this is what it looks like. Oh my, this is like a little bit more substantial than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I thought it would be like it's a little bit, it's probably just as thick, honestly. It feels bigger for some reason than I thought it was going to be. So here's the deal. It's empty inside because you open it and then you put your pods in. And then it has a fan that blows when you obviously like turn it on, fan blows. But this one is supposed to have lights that shine out the bottom, which I'm going to use as a night light. Hopefully, we'll see. It depends. Sometimes Corey is like more sensitive to light, so I'm not exactly positive where I'm gonna put it. But okay. So to go along with this, with the rest of my free money, my host reward money I had to spend, I got apples and cinnamon sticks pods. I have the car bar right now in my car, and I love it. Originally, I thought it would be too spicy. We'll see how these pods are. Oh, they smell just like the car bar. I freaking love this scent. I like, it's such a classic, and I feel like you can get it anywhere. Like, it's a staple. It just smells like apples and cinnamon. Corey, when we were in the car, he's like, it smells like somebody's like baking a pie. I'm like, it's good, right? Yeah, okay, so here's the deal with these. So you literally like just put them right in there. You can put 2 if you want, and then you pop this back on, and then they're in there. And then as the fan spins, it like pushes the air through the pods so that like the little beads that are inside there, the fragrance comes out, I guess. So since this one's a nightlight, I'll probably be running it at the nighttime or like when it's darker. So I'm not sure which scent I'll put in there, because I kind of like to have the really, like, here's my thought process. I'll probably put them like when they're fresh in my go, and then as they kind of maybe die out, I'll put them in the wall fan, just since it's running at night and like, you know, no one will be awake. And then here's the deal with the plugins also. There's a button on the bottom. This is on every Scentsy product that plugs into the wall. You push it, and then you can like turn and then it like locks. Like if you turn it like halfway, you can turn it until it like locks. So if you have like funky sideways plugins, which thankfully I do not in this house, but I used to at my old place, you can turn it. So this is so simple, and it's all plastic. So like I feel fine putting it in a low plug-in against the wall. Whereas like my Corey the other day suggested, he's like, why don't you just move your mini warmer, like plug-in warmer, to like the outlet, because like it's on the kitchen, like taking up the outlets. And I was like, okay, so you're not gonna run into it and spill it like it's hot wax? And he was like, oh. I was like, I think I'm gonna leave it. Like, I was just like, that just seems a little bit dangerous. But I feel better about this because like if you knock it over, nothing's hot, nothing's gonna spill, it's not gonna break if it like drops out of the outlet. So I'm really excited about this. And then yeah, I was really excited about these pods. So that's everything, kind of short and sweet, but I just wanted to pick up some of this stuff and especially try out some of the stuff considering it was either like free or half price. So yeah, I was really excited to get all this stuff. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these before and what your thoughts are, especially regarding the laundry. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.